Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how I do my onion rings. This is my way. There are so many ways that different people do it on YouTube, but this is the way I do it. And so I need half onion and 2 cloves, cayenne pepper, my pot. Okay, and I use 2 cups of water. That's my 2 cups of water. You all know that recently I had my hair cut, so I don't really need much of that. Okay, and then I'm just going to let that heat up a little bit, and I'm going to peel my onions. Peel the garlic. Okay, and then I'm going to rinse it. Once it's rinsed, I'm going to dice it into the water. And then I'll leave it to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, then I'm going to stop it. I don't want it too hot. As soon as I can see a bit of steam, then I'll stop it. You can now see that that is boiling now, and I'll use 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. If it's too hot for you, for your next batch, you can use just maybe half or quarter. Okay, and then I switch that off. Mix it. And I'll leave it to cool. Once it's cooled, I'll sieve it out. Not too cool, as in maybe lukewarm, warm enough to put on my scalp directly. So that's what we're just going to do now. So it's cool enough for me to use. I'll sieve it out, and that's it. Now that I have sieved out the onion and the garlic, I have just the liquid now. I'm going to apply this onto my scalp, massage it into my scalp, cover my hair with a shower cap and a towel, wrap a towel around my head and the shower cap, and then I'm going to rinse out my hair after about an hour, and then wash my hair with shampoo. After washing my hair with shampoo, I'll do the conditioner, and then I'll do my oil mix. The oil mixture, this has amla, it has shea butter, olive oil, some other things, and some other things. So this oil I'll then apply onto my hair, again steam my hair for a while, and that's it. That's all. This is my onion rings recipe. Thank you all, and do have a good day.